Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset your Reka AI account password from the account settings. So let's get started. First, open any web browser. Within the search bar, type reka.ai. Then press enter, where it will successfully redirect you to the official website. Within it, tap Try Reka. If you have logged in prior, you will be automatically redirected to the official homepage. But if not, you must log in. On the main homepage, look at the top right corner. You will see a profile square icon. Tap on it. A menu opens showing your username, your email address, manage account and sign up. Tap on manage account. You will be now taken to the account settings screen. From the left side menu, tap on setting. In the passport section, look for update passport on the right side of it. Tap on update passport. Where update passport panel opens, you will see a current passport field by default, a field for new passport and another field for confirm passport. Please make sure to enter your new passports in both fields. Once both fields are filled correctly, the Save button becomes active. Tap on Save and your passport is now successfully updated. After updating your passport, you will need to use this new passport the next time you log in, and make sure to choose a strong and secure passport. And that's it. This is how you can reset your Reka AI account password easily. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.